O-level class, pay attention and watch till the end.
Welcome back to the O-level English class. You're writing GC, NECO, WAEC, JAM, or any examination. This class is for you. In the last class, we talked about the vowel sounds, the monophthongs, diphthongs, and triphthongs. For today, we are considering the English consonant sounds. The English consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are produced with some obstructions in the speech organs. The speech organs are the vocal cords. There are 24 consonant sounds in the English alphabet. They are as follows. The first consonant sound here is P, P, as in pat and please. Number 2, B, B, as in book and bag. Number 3, T, 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 as in take and teeth. Number 4, D, D, as in dog and deer. Number 5, K, 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 as in cook and king. Number 6, G, G, as in gate and goal. Number 7, F, 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 as in fish and free. Number 8, V, 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 as in view and very. Number 9, F, 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 as in think and through. Number 10, the, as in then and that. Number 11, s, as in sink and suck. Number 12, z, z, as in zinc and zebra. Number 13, sh, sh, as in shirt and shoe. Number 14, z, z, as in measure, pleasure. Number 15, as in hat and hanger. Number 16, ch, ch, as in check and choose. Number 17, j, as in judge, urgent. Number 18, as in make and move. Number 19, as in nose and needle. Number 20, as in sing, ring. 21, l, the l sound, as in lake and little. 22, r, as in rank and mirror. 23, w, as in window. 12, and the last one, number 24, y, as in yellow and young. Let's take up some practice questions on vowel and consonant sounds. Number 1, which word has that sound? Number 2, p, p, which word has the p sound? Number 3, v, which of these options have the v sound? Number 4, f, 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 which word has the f sound? Number 5, ch, ch, Which of these options have the ch sound? Number 6, z. Which word has the z sound? Then number 7, j. Which of these words has the j sound? Then number 8, k, k. Which word has the sound k? When you're done with the answers, please send it to the comment section. We'll talk more on it in the next class. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and follow for more.